On this particular one, we're changing to division. It's in a chart formation. So if we were doing just this problem currently here, what it's really saying is 5, the whole number, divided by, and this one has 10. So we could say 10 to the first power. This would be 10 to the second power, 10 to the third power. And so what we would do in division in this is, again, you would think that it would be set up like this, where 5 is being divided by 10. But we are not going to do that. And actually, in 5th grade, we don't ever do it in that format because we would have to add a decimal. So anyway, we're going to go back to the original one here. And again, because it's powers of 10, we can have the ability to do it this way of moving the decimals. Now remember, the only reason we're doing moving of a decimal one or two places because we're talking about powers of 10, and that also applies to multiplication. So when we look over here at this problem, we see this original one, and again, we need to rewrite the number 5. And again, we need to remember that the decimal, even though we don't see it, is right here. It's after the number. That is very important for you to understand that for math. Now, this tells us how much we're actually moving it, which according to this, it says 1. And division is moving it not to the right, but to the left. So we move it to the left. So we move it one place to the left. It's very important that you rewrite this because you can see that it looks like there's 2 decimals. Never in a number would you have 2 decimals. So when you rewrite it, you need to write the decimal, because that's where it moved to, from this spot to that spot, and the 5. And that other decimal that was there is not staying in there anymore because remember, we moved it.